Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I want to welcome you once again to our basement. We appreciate you watching and tuning in to the John and Francis show. It's the variety show that gives back. We give you information that you can go out and you can see the items that we buy, like this, and you can make money on it and feed your family and buy Halloween costumes and Christmas gifts. And they say turkeys are going to be like 75% more expensive this year. That blows my mind. So anyways, we're going to jump right into this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and be sure to go down and maybe fight that like button and uppercut the subscribe button, and we'd just be grateful for that. We're marching towards 10,000 subscribers, and that's where we want to be. And now I've rambled enough. Megan's back there fumbling items, so we're going to get right into this video, I promise. Hit me with them books. Oh my gosh, this thing looks old. Look how pretty the binding is on that, though. That's really pretty. It's an old Catholic encyclopedia. It tells you all about the Pope of 1862 in here, because it's a pretty old book. This is actually looks like volume 4, and it's
1907 or
1907. Bonus points for whoever can tell me who the Pope was in 1907 in the comment section down below. I know I have at least one overachiever and who watches my videos. So how much did it sell for?
$30 plus shipping.
$30 plus shipping. That's pretty cool. I really enjoy that. I really enjoy that $30. Thank you for watching. This is a bottle, and I don't exactly know what it's used for. I think it's an IV bottle. ASPF. I don't know what that means. It's a very special bottle.
You listed it as a medical bottle.
It's a medical bottle, and it comes with a little cap on it. It's pretty cool. How much did it sell for?
14 plus shipping.
14 plus shipping. That's not too bad, but for glass items, I definitely like to make a little bit more, but I just wanted to get it going, so I took an offer on it. Okay, guys, the next item that we have is Code Ninja. That's right. You can be a ninja. I think it's like some kind of hacker hat. You can be a hacker. Oh, I look pretty good in that. How much did it sell for?
$12.55.
$12.55 plus shipping. Hair oil. It's morphin' time. It's hair oil time. We're going to put hair oil in. What is this used for, Megan?
Hair growth oil.
Hair growth oil. How much did it sell for? Two of them.
Two of them about $22 plus shipping.
$22 plus shipping sprinkled on top. Next item is these Harry Potter cards. We've got all 4 houses. We've got Gryffindor. We've got Slytherin. We've got Hufflepuff. And we've got... what's the last one again?
Ravenclaw.
Ravenclaw. Why can't I never remember that? They sold for $40 plus shipping on top. Megan said she had one of these when she was little. That was probably about 2 years ago. And she had one of these Jeeps, and they're awesome. I love it. How much did it sell for?
$8 plus shipping.
$8 for a Hot Wheels car. That's crazy. Those things are going outrageous. So if you see Hot Wheels, old ones at yard sales, pick them up, people. Don't make me tell you twice. Just buy them, as long as they're old. The next item that we have here is a Mac Tools. Here we get it in focus. Mac Tools. It's a socket extension. Tools bring bucks. People need these to work on stuff, and they pay good money for them. How much did that sell for?
$10 plus shipping.
$10. It's worth more than a Hot Wheels. It's probably got more metal in it, but it's definitely a good pickup if you're looking. Certain names, Mac, Craftsman, and Snap-on is 3. Definitely worth looking for. Yeehaw! We gonna have ourselves a rodeo. We got ourselves one of them button-up Wrangler shirts with the pearl snaps. You gonna be the finest looking filly at the rodeo, or, well, if you're wearing this one, I think it's a dude shirt, so you'll be the finest looking bull at the Buffalo rodeo. I don't know, but how much did it sell for?
$17.50 plus shipping.
$17.50 plus shipping. I took an offer on this because it had been listed for quite a while, so I was just like, you know what? Time for it to go to a new home. It's got to find a new barn to stay in. It's been in my barn for too long. I have no idea who this guy is. His name is Philip Walker. We sold his CD. How much did it sell for?
$6 plus shipping.
$6 plus shipping.
Last item.
The last item that we sold is one of these basic B-word things. It's a mascara. It's pretty cool. Eyeshadow. She corrects me, and she's right more than I am. So we sold this. How much did it sell for?
That one sold for 14.
I did take an offer because I was like, sell it. So that's all for this part of the video. Do you know how much we sold total? Did you have that added up?
No, I should.
It's fine. It's a bunch. It's like $1 million plus like some
I
change.
just realized they got 2 of these Harry Potter.
Oh, we sold 2 of those Harry Potter card deck things, and she forgot about it. So that was actually $80. So on an $80 order, I'm probably going to make $8 or $9. So don't be going to 3011 and ordering them because you're not making any money on them. Okay, people, there's something absolutely wonderful being sold on eBay right now, and I was looking at some stuff. I always look under eBay when there's new stuff, and I found out that the drummer from What's the Best Rock Band Ever, Megan?
I don't agree.
What's the best rock band ever? It's My Chemical Romance. There's only one answer to this, Megan. We don't got to make it difficult. My Chemical Romance. And what is the rock anthem for the 2000s? The rock anthem. I mean, we're talking the Freebird of the 2010s. It's the Black Parade, and the drummer from My Chemical Romance is actually selling his like majorette or like what do they call it? It wasn't a majorette or whatever, like drum major. Maybe that was drum major. I don't know. Like the marching band is what the word that I'm looking for. He's selling it on eBay. Now I'm trying to talk Francis into letting me buy it. Can I buy this, Francis? It's probably going to be expensive. It's going to be like $50,000, but we could afford that. I could write a check for it. We wouldn't even notice the money was gone until they came to arrest us because we wrote a bad check. But could you imagine having that like in your room? I mean, I'm 43 years old, so I wasn't exactly here for the emo phase, but I kind of wish I would have been. That would have been absolutely fantastic. Could you see me with the black hair and the black fingernails and stuff like that? That'd be fantastic. But I just wanted to just talk about that for a minute because I'm kind of excited to go look at the auction and see how much this thing sells for. If I find it, I will post it down below so you guys can keep a watch on it and see how much that this freaking thing sells for. It's going to be super awesome.